We'll start by just checking in to see where the healing wants to go. And just allow the elements to lead us. And it's leading us to the higher chakras, starting with the third eye. I use my own body and chakras as a proxy for yours during distance healing, meaning that you can just relax and know that the energy is going to go wherever you need it. Taking a deep breath. And we move on to the crown chakra now. And just relax into this lovely release. And we are done here with the crown, and now we're going to move into the throat chakra, which is the center for clear communication. Really cleansing out these upper chakras, using the energy of the rain, washing them clean and clear, refreshing them, finishing off with some cord cutting to the throat. Really allow your voice to be heard and what you're here for. Where are you feeling this? Let me know in the comments. It's not always where you think it should be. And a final big breath and release out through your mouth. We'll just finish off by rooting down back to earth using the wet ground. Thank you for joining me.